This is a 2012 Toyota Camry. It has a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Features include alloy wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a leather-wrapped shift knob, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, halogen headlights, air conditioning, and this vehicle has fewer than 26,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 35 miles per gallon on the highway, you won't be making frequent trips to the gas pumps. This sedan has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Sports City Toyota is located at 12650 LBJ Freeway in Dallas. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.